Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce a new game. This game is very fun. Everyone likes it. First of all, you have to get some cards. The first one is a stapler. The second one is a laptop, a comb, a horse, a capybara, an e-bike, a handbag. Put them here in 2 lines, even in 3 lines. And you let the kid remember each of them. So the kid has to remember every single card, and you take one of the cards. For example, I'm going to take this one, laptop, away, and I mingle them again. Mingle, and put them in the different positions. And that kid, he or she can't see them right now, and when it's ready, I just let him or her guess which one is missing. And it's very hard at the very start. You can get 4 cards. Now we've got 7, right? One was gone. Totally 7. And the boy or the girl has to guess which one is missing. The rooster is missing? No, there isn't a rooster here. Okay, let me think it again. Oh, I got it. The laptop is missing. Yes, of course, the laptop is missing. Here is the laptop. So this game is really very fun, and the students, the kids, have to remember each word, and this can help them expand their vocabulary. And everyone likes this game. And if you like this game, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye, everyone.